Yoo-hoo! Hello, that's me, Sebastian. But please call me Sebo. And welcome to my channel. Sebo auf Reise means Sebo traveling. But I'm not just traveling. No, I'm traveling with Frida. That's Frida. It's a Honda CRF 250L. I started in May 22 with Frida from Germany. Traveled to Italy via Austria. Went to Sicily. Took a ferry to Greece. Explored Greece. Went to Turkey. Then a hard decision in Turkey. I could try to continue to go to Azerbaijan and take the ferry to Turkmenistan, or turn around to the direction of Africa. People that I met and the internet told me that the Turkmenistan route was not possible during this time. The war in the Ukraine has already begun and a lot of stuff changed, so I decided to turn around in Turkey. Traveled through the Balkans, Bulgaria, North Macedonia, the beautiful Albania and Montenegro, went to Croatia, back into Italy, France and Spain. And all this on back roads. I used the highway maybe 2 or 3 times. From Spain I took the ferry to Morocco and met Wade, another motorbike traveler. He's from the States and we have been traveling together for a while. So everything changed and I decided to change as well, so I changed my channel from German to English while exploring the northern part of Morocco. Very hard decision for me, so yes. But yeah, welcome to English. Yoo-hoo! My English is not the best and I feel much more comfortable expressing myself in German. But you know, fuck it. Traveling means learning new things about yourself, bring yourself into uncomfortable situations and manage them. It's a process of personal growth. Oh, and one bummer. My fucking windshield is totally scratched and blocks the view in the videos. I realized this too late, so I try to cut my videos in a way that you have a good view. Soon it will be better with the windshield, so no worries. I tell you all of this from India. Still traveling with my buddy, Wade, and meanwhile good friend. So far, the journey has been completely different than expected. At some point, we will find ourselves on a scooter in Southeast Asia for around 9,000 kilometers and stuff like this. Have fun with all my videos in Africa, Southeast Asia, India, which is basically South Asia, and all the unexpected places we will travel. Okay, after all of this information, let's watch my intro together. The first episode will start right after the intro. Have fun watching the videos and please support my project with a thumb up and a subscription. Thank you!
Smells delicious.
Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Woo! I hate it, no. Oh yes, please. So yes, that's the first pictures of the channel, guys. Okay. Doing this, traveling by motorcycle. Okay. So guys, after close to 2 weeks, we're starting our adventure again. We stayed at Habib's place for a long time, had a good time, really good time. Hello and welcome to my channel. So this is Future Sebo. I will be sometimes in my videos to give you more information, stuff I forgot in my videos while recording it, stuff like this, some insights, whatever. So yeah, welcome from India. So now I'm in India, or we are in India. So yes, so we traveled, or I traveled already in East and South Europe. So now we are in Morocco in this video, northern Morocco. I did a part of northern Morocco already, so there are videos about this, but that's in my old part channel, so it's in German. But feel free to watch it for sure. So now we are in the north. We already saw Casablanca, Marrakesh, a lot of other stuff. The Atlas Mountains we crossed and stuff like this. And now we're heading south, more south. So the general idea is to drive to Senegal. Let's see if this works or not. So we have to cross the Sahara and want to enter to Senegal. And yeah, there is a lot of more information in the next videos about this. Have a good time, enjoy my videos. Bye bye. Yes, and by the way, we are very close to the ocean, so let's say very close to the ocean. This is beautiful. In front of me this is Wade. We are so fully packed, but happy to travel. So happy to travel. Oh yes. So yes, we found something. We have a drill. Drill with more levels. Let's call it like this. In German Stufenbohrer. English step drill bit. Yes. And wow, we have beer. I miss the beer from home. I miss it. Yes, I can say it. I miss the beer. But doesn't matter. We have beer. We have a drill. And now we continue more to the south. It's now 3:30, so very late. So we did a good job today at starting early. Doesn't matter. Let's continue. Wow! So finally, we left Agadir. So much traffic. So much traffic. Yes, I would say it's 5 o'clock. So late. So yes, we'll drive a while and then we will check where we stayed today. Anyway, we left the big roads, back on the small roads, and yeah, just floating again. We are looking for a accommodation. Straight to the Medina. What is Medina? Medina is the old town. It's called Medina. Okay, there's someone from Francais. A lot of people from French are here. Like a lot. And it seems that all of them have a camper van. Let's see if this Hotel Bellevue is a nice stuff. Of course, it's so nice. What's wrong?
I left my key upstairs.
He left his key upstairs. Always the same. Yeah, so welcome. We arrived in Tiznit. We have a hostel, a hotel for 120 for two. That's $11. That's a good price. I think that's the best price since our travels in Morocco for a hotel. But the good thing is we have to park our motorcycles outside. So unpacking everything. Love it.
That was a very impressive opening, senor. Cheers.
Merci beaucoup. Cheers.
Dual angles.
We're so happy to have Stork, #1 beer in not Portugal, Morocco. Good night, maybe see you today or see you tomorrow.
That was our motorcycle guardian for the night. Did a great job. Tuna and Frida were untouched all night.
So yeah, Morocco, you have everything. You have the ocean, You have sheeps, and you have the mountains here, and that's way more greener than Agadir. It's so beautiful, coastline driving. Mwah. Very nice. Finally we left the coastline. Yeah, look at this, we're heading to mountains. Ooh. And yeah, police. I'll give you some information about the police here in Morocco, maybe interesting. No, definitely interesting. So, when I read online, like, whoa, Morocco, traveling Morocco by motorcycle. Yeah, the police, they will stop you everywhere, blah, 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 blah. You need a finch, like a small document, where all your data are written, and you give the police a document, and then yeah, you can pass, like, checkpoints. So, we are now since 6-7 weeks in Morocco. And we passed really tons and tons of those checkpoints. No one ever stopped us. No one ever stopped us. So, easy cheesy. That's the Cafe VIP. So we are basically VIPs, so yes. That's a perfect place for us. Break. Coffee bones and Wi-Fi. Like everything. Ah, bonjour monsieur. Ah, très bien. Oui. Oui, café. Oui. So much coffee? Yeah, give us a second, please. I always want to make business straight.
I like how he's smoking weed.
He's smoking weed? Of course. Okay, guys, come to the VIP cafe in, I don't know where it is, but they have all the weed here. Bienvenue, welcome.
I'll tell you, this is the longest 30-minute, we'll just ride for 30 minutes and get coffee.
Yes, but now it's the VIP coffee. It's just not a bullshit coffee. Mountains there on the right side are already covered in sand. So interesting. So, why is there sand? Yeah. But I think it's everywhere. It's kind of very windy. A lot of sand. And we are coming closer to the Moroccan Sahara.
Where are we going now? Destination, please.
Tantan. You go to Tantan.
Tantan? Yeah. Now you are in Tantan.
Okay, it's just the town of Tantan.
Yes, you are there.
On the ocean, yes.
We're going to find a hotel there.
All right. Yeah.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Yes, messieurs. Have a good day. Au revoir, monsieur. Okay, so should we check if this is 1010 or we have to go to the other 1010 in Overlander, and I definitely have to piss.
Me too. I almost peed back there.
Yeah, so I have the conversation with the cops and you on this GoPro, senor.
Nice!
Yes, 1010. This is 1010. So come on, we check this.
So on our Overlander, it doesn't show any hotels in here.
Ah, yeah, okay.
So it's the next one where it shows hotels.
So to the other Temtem.
Yeah.
And the other Temtem is like the Temtem on the beach, right? Yeah. Okay, then continue to the beach, like it's, I don't know how far. No, I know. 26 kilometers, not that far. And we stop somewhere outside of the city because...
Yeah.
Okay. And we have so famous. Bonjour, monsieur. Ah, bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour, monsieur. Huh? Yes, all the dirhams. Ah, Tantan, messieurs. Boule? Really? Ah, is it recording? It's recording. Hello. Yes, that's lovely. Okay, all the money. Okay, we found something. So no toilet, but we found a hotel. The room looks really shitty, but it's 120 and it's here and we can park inside, which is very nice. Yes, perfect. Yes, good. It's the room tour, senor.
Hello.
Such a nice room. We have everything we want. 2 beds and a very rundown what's carpet. But yeah, we don't mind. And we have this beautiful view. And I paid, by the way. It was 120, which is again $11.80, so per person under $6. Woo! And hot ballon!
Hot ballon!
So yes, that's the best place in town. Because we just best place.
Best place.
Because we just paid 120 for the hotel, we decided to go to the best place, and it's kind of cheap. And this is a very special salad. We introduce you. We have, and we already started to eat, so we are very hungry. We have 4 leaves of salad. We have bananas, beets. This is a potato. We have fish, cooked carrots. There's some rice, and there are noodles like pasta.
And about 5 corn cobs.
There's a little corn, of course.
Yeah, little kernels.
Yes. So that's wonderful. And this is our what is it called? Burrito? Taco. This is our taco, and this is our quality product from the States. We need it because all the sugar. And we say good night and see you tomorrow.